In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this flying spark scene. Let's create a plane. Type S to scale. Let's rotate this plane by setting a keyframe on the rotation with I as in India. We need to set a keyframe on 1 and the last frame. On the last frame, please change the Z rotation to 359 to create a continuously rotating plane animation. Let's create an icosphere. S and Z to scale on the Z axis. We need to use the emission shader. Please make sure the render engine is set to Eevee, and the bloom is turned on. Let's add a particle emitter on the plane. Please match my emitter settings. We need to increase the sphere's size. This looks cool, but we need to work on the emitter's velocity setting a bit more. Please experiment with Y and Z values to get the best result. We're almost there. We need to rotate the particles. This looks good, but we can do better by randomizing the velocity a bit. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.